Hello guys, this is my GE Model 7-4321C. Picked this up on eBay for $30 and I think it's a great find. Been running for a very long time now. I've had this thing for over a year and has been keeping time perfectly. I use it as my only clock and wakes me up every morning right on time. You can see the flip clock, the alarm section right there. Wait for it to change so you guys can look. And such. Obviously the little Japan symbol, always on the double zeros. Sometimes in other places, but this is running the 60 Hertz motor, like all the US spec ones. Been running great. Sleep mode. Very nice light. The original light, never changed it. At least I haven't, so. Obviously, you're asleep. Turn on the radio and they wake. Music only for the alarm, or music and alarm. And AM/FM. This thing is really nice. Now, if you guys saw my Lloyd's video, you guys know that it did not have a snooze button, and this one does, which I use all the time. Obviously, who doesn't? And it works perfectly. Very nice. Here's the tuning knob, the volume knob. Just nothing over here. Stainless steel, well, aluminum. Little plate here. Plastic wood trim. Just black back. Fantastic clock. Absolutely love these things. And this one especially, been keeping time perfectly. Not a failure ever. The oil did get a little hard, starting to make a bit of noise, but as soon as you oil it, you can't even hear it. Absolutely fantastic. Over here, we got the alarm and time set. As the outside, this one on the outside controls the alarm. The little thing inside. You can set that. And then this ring here, the outside, to change the time. I don't want to change it because we all know, I'll just flip it once, we all know how hard it is to get these things back. You have to go through the whole thing. It can be a pain. Guess we can just demonstrate the alarm. So put it on wake. Make sure the volume's up. Yeah, let's see. Obviously the snooze button, you press it, would turn off the alarm and just leave the radio on. It's kind of nice. And That is my GE flip clock. Absolutely fantastic and reliable. It's been working for a very long time. One more thing to mention. Obviously, we all know a little backlight in there. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.